Joe. You curly-haired little rascal, you. Oh, hey guys, welcome to another video. Great news, the gyms are open again, but understandably, due to the current pandemic, a lot of you aren't returning to the gym just yet. So I thought I'd give you a killer AMRAP workout that you can do at home with no equipment and absolutely no noise at all. AMRAP means as many rounds as possible, so it is your job to try and do just that. Now, I'll be working out at the same time, but just try and do your own pace. Maybe it's a little bit faster than me, maybe it's a little bit slower. Just try and get as many rounds as possible. But a great tip is if you start a round, then finish a round. Now, this is a 15-minute workout, but we're changing the exercises every 5 minutes. You can see the exercises here. Now guys, if you enjoyed the video, please would really appreciate a thumbs up by hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and comment down below how many rounds you got. But without further ado, let's get into this. Okay guys, coming up first we have the 12 high knees, the 6 burpees, 6 plank jumps, and 6 squat step backs. Let's get to it. So 3, 2, and 1, let's go. Okay, on to burpees. We're doing full press up burpees. That's 2. Again, go at your own pace. You don't know how to press up into it, don't have to press up in. Just go at your own pace. Okay, so 6 plank jumps, which are basically the hardest part of the burpee. Okay, we have 6, then we have 6 squat step backs. So, going down, in the step, alternate the leg. Keep low the entire time, feel it in the quads. There we go, nice. Okay, so, back onto the high knees. Again guys, you don't have to keep up with me, you don't have to go at my pace, go at your own pace. Maybe it's quicker, maybe it's not as quick, okay? So, let's go again for the next round. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, burpees. Good. Sprint is definitely take the longest. But 5, and last one. 6, okay. Right, so plank jump time. Staying down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Squat step backs. Okay, stay low. Boom. 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 It's 4. 5, and that's 6. Oh, absolute killer. So we're halfway through this first round. So, we're going to go into the high knees again. I want to try and get 4 rounds on this first round. So, let's get back into it. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, burpees. And last one. Good. Okay. So squat. So plank jumps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squat step backs. So 1, down, down. And last one. There we go. Oh, that's a killer. Absolute burner. Have a little bit of water. Still got 1:20 on this first round. How are you guys doing out there? Let me know in the comments. Let me know how many rounds you got of each of the 5 exercises. Or the 5 sets, I should say. Okay, coming up to a minute left. We're going to go on a minute. 2, 1. Let's go. 6. Good, perfect. Totally miscounted there, I think I did way too many. That's 1. That's 2. 3. Last 1. Good. Okay, 10 jumps. Let's go. 6. Squat step back. 20 seconds on these. Yeah. All you're doing, putting that back leg, putting that leg behind you. Good. Okay. Woo. So round 2. We have 8 jump squats, 8 sit backs into a mountain climber, 8 press ups, and 8 jump lunges. Gonna regret this when it comes to the jump lunges. So, got 9 minutes, 40 seconds left. Okay guys, just a 15-minute workout. Stay with me. So we're going 3, 2, 1, 8 jump squats. 2, 3, easy. 6, 8. Okay, sit back into a mountain climber. We're doing 4 each side. So, back like this, sit back, bring the leg forward. Opposite side. And 8. Press ups. If you're struggling with press ups, go on to your knees. Next one. Of course, everybody's favourite. Jump lunges. Haha, funny man. Okay, 4 each side. 2. And 8. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So we have 3 minutes, 20-ish left. On this round again, let's try and get 3 full rounds on this. So we've already 1 in the bag. So 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8. Nice work. So guys, you rest when you want to rest, but would highly recommend you start a round, finish it, and then rest. Good. 7 and 8. Press up now. Ooh. This is a right quad burner. You see, as well as doing press ups. Okay, we have 2.5 minutes left. Jump lunges. Keep going guys, keep going, you've got it. Good. Just keep going. No matter how long you have to rest, finish the workout. I don't care if you get 3 rounds or 30 rounds. Just finish the workout. Gonna rest for 20 seconds. Oh. Who says you need a gym, eh? Or equipment for that matter. If your goal is to lose weight, this is an excellent way to do it. Do this a couple times a week. Try and improve on it. Each time you do it, you'll be flying. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. 1 minute 40 left on this round. 4, 5, 7, and 8. Right, sit backs. Okay. So you're just bringing that leg towards you, that knee, but you're also keeping the foot off the ground when you bring it towards you. Okay. Right. 15 left. Woo. Okay. Right. Jump lunges. 1 minute left. 6, Okay, let's try and get as much as we can done of this. We've got 45 seconds left, so another round. My form might not be perfect, yours might not be perfect either, don't worry about that. We don't have the heavy weights with us today. God, that's a bit. Right quad button. 8. Okay. 15 seconds. 8 jump lunges. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We got some time left. So, last round. Last time we're changing the exercises. We have 10 invisible slams, 10 squats, squats if you're American, 10 plank jacks, 10 star jumps, or jumping jacks if you're watching from the States. Okay, so we have, this round shouldn't be as hard as the others. We've increased the volume, but we've decreased the intensity of the exercise. So, if you're worried about starting this round, don't be. So, we're going to go in, oh god, 25 seconds. That's what I'm going to go. You might be well ahead. 10 invisible slams, 10 squats, 10 plank jacks, 10 star jumps. Oh my god, you can do it, you can do it. We've got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes, okay. We're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just imagine you're at the gym with a sandbag or your ball, whatever it is, slam it down. Air squats. The squats. Nothing too complicated. Six to 10. So, plank jacks, plank, there's a star jump with your feet. 6, 7, 8, 9. We're back from the dead. This side. 2, 3. Hell yeah. Here we go again. We've got 3 minutes left, guys. We're going to power through this round. So, try and get at least 3 rounds of everything. 6, 7, keep going. 8, 9, 10. Nice. Remember, guys, if you're enjoying this, hit the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments you're enjoying it. Say how many rounds you got. 1 more. We're at 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes 10. Roughly. So, we're going to go again. Not too bad when you're doing it. It's just bad when you're stuck. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3. Oh, keep going, guys. Under 2 minutes. We're back from the dead. 9, 10. Plank jacks. 1 minute 30 left. Come on, guys, you've got it. Strong finish.
Hell yeah.
8, 9, 10. Start. We're going to try 1 more round here. This round's easy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice work, guys, nice work. Give yourself a little break. Right, I'm going to give myself one. Well, 1 minute left and we'll put 1 more round, okay? 3, 2, 1, 10 minutes. Come on, finish strong, guys, finish strong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Air squats, let's go. Come on. Towards the end, as long as it's kind of resembling a form, don't worry too much. For the squats, keep your hips back, chest up, contribute towards that healthy spine alignment. Okay, let's go, 30 seconds. Come on guys. 7, 8, 9, and 10. You've got it. Start jumps left. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And one for good luck. Alright. That was incredible guys. Well done, well done, well done. Alright guys, well done. You did it. Congratulations, you reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed this and you're not already subscribed, would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell. Really goes a long way in building the channel. Also, if you did the workout, you gotta leave a like. It's the law. Boris is gonna be knocking on your door if you don't. And number 3, thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. It's been an interesting journey through lockdown, but for everyone who watched my videos, don't worry, this is not the end. We're still gonna be uploading every single Monday at 7 PM or 6 if you're lucky. So a video every week. I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm incredibly sweaty. Hope you are as well, but I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Alright guys, just a little post-credit scene. 209 calories burnt in that 15-minute workout.